So my name is Belén Toledo. I already finished my pre-doc and now I'm doing a postdoctoral stay. So thanks to the PC organization and the grants, I was able to join to the GENYO Center in Granada, and right now I'm working with Professor Real's group. And well, about my experience in Granada, it has been extremely positive so far, because joining to this center and Professor Real's group has provided me with an excellent scientific environment full of stimulating discussion and collaboration opportunities. Also, the group has been very welcoming and supportive, and I'm already learning a lot from their expertise in pancreatic cancer biology and translational research. And the facilities at this center at GENYO are outstanding, allowing me to perform cutting-edge experiments and explore new methodologies that are improving my research. Okay, so I think that every day at GENYO is super dynamic and productive. I usually start my mornings with experimental works in the lab, mainly involving the preparation and characterization of platelet-derived extracellular vesicles and their interaction with pancreatic tumor cells. Then in the afternoon, for example, I focus on data analysis, literature review, and discussion with colleagues about experimental design and the interpretation of the results. And something which is very important is that we also hold regular group meetings where I can present preliminary findings and receive valuable feedback. So I think that this daily routine is helping me to integrate efficiently into the team and maintain a consistent research pace. Well, I want to think that the project is progressing well and according to the plan. Although I'm only halfway through the stay, we have successfully optimized several protocols related to platelets and extracellular vesicle isolation and started generating preliminary datasets. Also, early results are promising and suggest interesting trends regarding the protein expression profiles that will be relevant as potential biomarkers. We are now, for example, working with proliferative colony formation and wound healing assays to compare how different type of extracellular vesicle, in this case microvesicle and exosome, can affect different type of pancreatic tumor cells as well as healthy pancreatic cells. So I'm also currently working with the bioinformatic and the proteomic teams to analyze these findings in depth. So it's a very interdisciplinary environment, which I think which is really, really good. And well, I also want to add that we have already submitted an article, which is a systematic review with meta-analysis. We submitted it in the Journal of Hematology and Oncology. And now we are working on the second manuscript, so let's see. I think this expertise is contributing enormously to my professional growth. On the one hand, scientifically, it's allowing me to acquire new technical skills, such as advanced proteomics and EV characterization, while also broadening my understanding of translational oncology. And then on the other hand, professionally, working in such an international and collaborative environment has improve or strengthen my communication and project management abilities. So it's also expanding my research network, opening opportunities for future collaboration and joint publication, which I think is awesome. So overall, this stay is consolidating my profile as a researcher in the field of pancreatic cancer. Yes, of course, I'm deeply grateful to the PCE organization and Professor Real for giving me this opportunity to do this internship here. This fellowship is proving to be a key a step in advancing my research career and in building a strong scientific collaboration that will continue beyond the stay. I'm sure about that. So I'm fully committed to making the most of this experience and contributing to the collective effort of improving early diagnosis and treatment strategies for pancreatic cancer.